Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell from the title, this is the stuff that I actually picked up at the Sephora VIB sale event. Okay, let's jump into it. First, I'm gonna start off with a perfume because I'm like really getting into perfumes now. So I'm slowly building my little collection. So I picked this up. This is the Dior Pure Poison, and look at how pretty this bottle is. And honestly, like it smells very seductive. And if you guys like jasmine, like you definitely smell a very heavy jasmine note, but like very sexy, very pretty, very elegant, very attention demanding. Beautiful. Now, the next product, this I was actually debating on whether or not I was gonna pick this up. When this first came out, like I wanted it so bad, but then some time had passed and I'm like, you know, it's been out a little while now, like do I still want it? And like I love the packaging, and like pastels really aren't like for me, but I feel like if you just cover up that pastel blue, like I can work with all those other colors, so I ain't mad at it. But what really pushed me to buy this was the fact that it went on sale, and then I'm getting a discount on top of that by using the 20% off. So I picked it up. So if you guys want to see a look on this, let me know. Again, this has been out a couple of months now, 2 months I think. Anyways, if you guys want to see a look on this, let me know. I think this is a pretty springtime palette. Can let a girl know. Okay, then I'm not gonna lie, I have already used a couple of these items. Did I throw them back in the box to just unbox and make them look pretty on camera? Yes, I did. So the item that I have already used, this is one of them. This is, oh my gosh, I wanted this for a while. This is a Patrick Ta contouring brush. Now I already have the bronze and contouring duo, and when it came out and everything, I'm like, do I really need the brush to go with it? I'm like, no, I don't need it. And then I heard like a lot of people talking about it and raving about it, and what really pushed me over the edge to pick it up was Tati Beauty on YouTube. She loves this brush, so it's like, if Tati says it's amazing, like I gotta have it. So that's what made me think. And I kid you not, I went to 3 Sephoras and I did an online order. Yeah, no, don't. You're judging me. Anyways, none of these stores had this except for the last store, and there was one left. So I grabbed it with the quickness. Do it in my bag. Anyway, this is the contouring brush. As you can see, I used it today actually. So it gives you a nice subtle blend, and you can just like a very little product and then just like stamp it into place. It makes contouring super easy, super foolproof. So I ain't mad at it. I'm happy I picked it up. Also, this Sephora eyelash curler. This is marketed for it's a full eyelash fuser. So it's marketed to like help fuse your false lashes with your natural lashes, but like as you can see, I used it today, and so it does a great job of curling your natural lashes as well. And then it comes with 2 replaceable little bumper pads at the bottom of the box, so it's just nice. Like I don't like how a lot of eyelash curlers, it has that like deep angle, so like when I go like that, it leaves a mark over here on my face, and this doesn't have that. So it was very easy and comfortable to use, and it was cheap and affordable because it was the Sephora brand eyelash curler. So again, happy I picked that up. Oh my gosh, this Natasha Denona mini retro. Again, I have the midi version, which is the medium size version, the $65 one. The color story is completely different. But when this came out, like, I wanted it, and then time had passed. I'm like, this has been out for well over, what, I think, what, 2 years now? And I just never picked it up. But then something told me, you know what? Why not pick it up? So again, this is another pretty, you know, I think it's a nice spring palette as well. But you have like some pink, some green, some, like, you know, you can do a couple of different looks with this, even though there's only, what, 5 shadows. Happy about that. Okay, this is from Lawless Beauty. I got the shade George. She recently came out with brand new shades, and I already knew I wanted to pick up at least one of the new shades. So again, it looks very dark in the packaging, but I promise you it's not that dark. I already know I love this formula, so I love the applicator. So that's what the shade looks like. It's like a nice taupey color. Again, this is marketed as a lip plumper. I don't feel like it leaves that tingling, burning feeling on my lips. Like, it feels a little cool, like it's, you know, but nothing uncomfortable like the Too Faced lip injection. Nothing like that. Okay, they had a kit like this last year, but I didn't get a chance to pick it up because it's sold out right away like hotcakes. So this comes with 2 full-size products from Tower 28. Their what is this called? This is their gloss and their cream blush. So this is the gloss in the shade Pistachio. Which is a pretty, like, a neutral pink color. Again, nice, wearable, everyday color. And then you got the corresponding, is it the corresponding? No, there's a different shade. This is a Magic Hour, which I believe is one of their best sellers. The formula feels nice. I'm like, you know, trying to swatch it for you guys. I'm not the best swatcher, which is why I don't really add swatches to any of my videos. It's very time consuming, and my swatches end up looking all funky and wonky. And anyways, again, a pretty everyday, just throw on your face type color and keep it pushing. I've been wanting to try their cream blush for the longest. I just haven't bit the bullet to go pick one up. So like, I'm so happy when I get like new stuff to play with or add to my arsenal of makeup. Like, it makes me so excited. Okay, I also used this item today. This brush. This is from Rare Beauty. This is marketed as their concealer brush. And like, I love the shape, and I love how it really gets like really deep in there in the little nooks and crannies of where you need to, you know, get into. It blended out my concealer like a dream. Can't complain. Okay. This is actually a product I'm wearing on my lips right now, but I have a lip liner over top, so. But this is the new Patrick Ta lip gloss in the shade Superficial. And this is what she looked like. Like I said, I'm wearing it today. This is the doe foot. Really pretty. I love the way this smells. This smells like a, I swear, this smells like, you know, the is it Hubba Bubba? Like the pink gum that comes in that circle roll, and like you pull it out and it looks like a long strip. It looks like a roll of tape. That's what this smells like. The pink one, to be exact. Oh my god, that's so weird. I never thought about that till just now. I'm gonna have my husband smell it, but yeah. Oh my god, that's freaky. That's exactly what it smells like. This is marketed as a lip plumper, but then again, I like I said, I have it on my lips right now, and I don't feel no like lip plumping action going on. And I have the world's thinnest lips, so you know, it is what it is. But I love the effect it gave me on the lips. I love how glossy it looks. It doesn't leave that stringy goopiness. I love. Yeah, it smells like gum. I ain't mad at it though. Also, what I have on today, on my eyes to be exact, I already told you guys in my recommendation video I was gonna pick this up. This is the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions 2 eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I got it on my eyes right now, and like, look at how pretty and wet and glistening my eyes look. Like, his formula is just, it's so worth it. Like, I hate the price, but it's that expensive for good reason. It's truly a wonderful, gorgeous formula. Again, I have a video on that. Stay tuned, you guys will see that. Now, Too Faced came out with their a new palette. It is the Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Strip. So this is kind of like a part 2 of their natural Born This Way natural nudes eyeshadow palette. Anyways, I'll probably end up doing a video on this as well and comparing the the first one to the second one. Well, this is how the color story looks. Again, a little more, a little more deeper, I would say, than the first one. Trying to see if there. It smells like makeup. I only smell it because a lot of times Too Faced likes to put scents in their makeup, so that's why I smelled it. Okay, we're getting down to the bottom. Like I said, this was not a big haul at all. I was going to do I mentioned that when I did my recommendations video, because I'm still paying off my credit card, and I already knew like not many things really jumped out at me during this sale for me to pick up. So I still got a couple things on the way. I have the Charlotte Tilbury glow wand and contour wand. So it's like their squeezy little tube with a little puffball on top. So I have the shade Pinkasm. That's what I'm going to use as like a blush. If you know, you know that shade is always sold out. So if you get your hands on it, get your hands on it. And especially the contouring wands. Oh my gosh. If you see it in stock, run. Don't walk. Run. That thing is, it's like, you'll almost never see it in stock online. And when you do, I guarantee if you refresh the page, whoop, it is gone. It's gone. So for me to be able to get my hands on both products that are always sold out, I'm happy about it. I'm very, very happy. And I got a discount on them too. Oh, I'm over the moon. Anyway, so that's why I'm coming in. And then also something else, but I'm not going to mention because my husband edits the videos and I don't want him to see what it is, because, Anyways, moving on. Got some skincare. They also had the Michaela one. I was looking, I'm like, you know what? This one kind of spoke to me more. Even though the Michaela one comes with more comes with full size items, I feel like this came with more variety to try a little bit of everything. So I've already tried the Plum Plum. I went through a full size, love it. And I'm actually using the nice set of my dewdrops right now. I have the full size in my bathroom, and that's what I currently have in rotation right now. So I'm wearing my face today. So I really, really like it. And then it comes with the toner, which I haven't tried. The Pink Juice Moisturizer, which I don't think I have tried. Maybe I have, I'm not sure. And then the Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. I tried the face sleeping mask. I really did like that. So I have high hopes for the eye version. Okay, the last two items, because I had to pick it up. SPF. Now, I already have the bigger size of this. which is their Super Goop regular like sunscreen. This is the SPF Everyday Lotion with sunflower extract. I had the bigger size already. I have, you know, this is, I guess, the medium size because I still have a tiny baby size as well. So I still have, you know, a good amount of that one left too, but I decided like, hey, let me just get another one just in case for when I do run out. It's nice to have this on hand. This is the only sunscreen I use on my face, so it works well. And then because, you know, it's summertime, and I mean, even you can use this even if it's not summertime, but for me, my thought process is while I'm out and about and I'm more in the sun, because that's kind of like when I'm out more is during the summertime. I want a way to like reapply my SPF without disturbing my makeup. So this is a SPF 40, and this is the resetting setting spray. So I had the mini of this once upon a time. I don't know where it's at. Oh, it's got little shakers. So let me just see that. Oh, and the mist. Oh, the mist is way better on this, and it definitely does smell like the beach though. Anyway, the mist on this one's way better than the mini. So okay, yeah, that's all I picked up for the Sephora VIB sale. Again, wasn't a big or long haul. Let me know what you guys want to see me use and play with, and I'll try to do a dedicated video to that. Please comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and have a good one. Bye.